Okay, let's start with the demo. And now we'll go through the main pages offered by this web application in order to find out and discover all the functionalities here in place. We are here in the home page. I'm already logged in this application with my ST account, as you can see here. And from here, you can visit the online documentation. Indeed, here, top right button, the README button, if you click it, you will access a set of documents which explain the main objective of this platform, the main functionalities offered by this tool, the hardware platform um, compatible with this tool, and so on and so forth. So if you have doubts, if you want to discover more, please visit this section. Let's come back to the home page and let's enter the first view that you will encounter in your journey. So the project examples view. First of all, what is a project? A project is your real life use case that you want to solve with the help of the machine learning core. And in this case, we have a set of project examples that have been already developed by ST and offered here in this showcase view. Some of them are being designed for the industrial scenario. Some other are more generic, as you can see. And in the context of a project, then you typically develop, train a model on top of a dataset. So you will collect a dataset as well, and then you will configure your project if needed, if it is required by your use case to be deployable on field. And let's give a closer look to the smart asset tracking project example, for example. So let's click on it. And as you can see, this project has been designed to monitor the various states, the various position of a package that is delivered. So let's give a look to the details of this project. And as you can see, this project has been designed um, to contain just one model. So, and this project is configured, is compatible to be deployed on field through an IoT system. Okay, let's enter the model, and the name of this model is the Smart Asset Tracking. And as you can see here, it is a classifier. It is capable to recognize 4 positions for a package: stationary, upright, stationary, not upright, motion, and shaken. It is a classifier because, as we will see later, the machine learning core is an hardware engine capable to run decision tree only. Since it is a model, it has been trained on top of a dataset, and this is the dataset that has been collected. It is public. You can customize it if you want. We'll see it in a moment. This model has been designed for a machine learning core. Included in this hardware component, the LSM6 DSO16X, which is on board, it is integrated in the SensorTile.box Pro evaluation board. Let's give a look to how this model has been trained then. So let's click on the train button, and as you can see here, this is the training view. It is offering no code experience at all. And the first step that you need to do is selecting the data that you want to use for the training phase. Then, once done, you need to apply some advanced settings specific for the machine learning core. We'll see the meaning later when we will present the hardware platforms. And then once the training has been done, executed on the cloud, the results are here. This is the resulted accuracy of the model. And then even the machine learning core configuration has been generated. You can download them, or you need to just use them to program your machine learning core and validate quickly the model with the board connected to the PC. We'll see later some details during the exercises. Okay, let's come back then and let's enter the details of the dataset that has been collected. And here we are, the dataset that has been acquired in the context of this project and this model is lasting 28 minutes. It is composed by 107 data logs, so 107 files. And as you can see, here we have data for all the 4 classes for which the model has been trained on. And it is quite balanced. Let's check some details about the dataset. And here we are. So this model, this dataset has been collected with this board. It means that we used this board connected to the PC or through the mobile app to collect this dataset. And all these files are belonging in this dataset. The full list of these files are available here in the data logs section. And for each class, we have a file, a CSV file, as you can see. Okay, last but not least, the IoT system. We already mentioned the fact that this project has been configured to be deployed on field. Indeed, here we are this IoT system, which is composed by a device, the sensor tile.box Pro, which is targeted as well by the model that we saw before, connected to a gateway then that will establish the connection with the cloud, making the device reachable from them. Okay, this is a project example, but of course I can create my own project. I can clone, by the way, this project example and customize it where in my cloud workspace. Now my cloud is empty. As you can see, I can create a new project from scratch or by cloning an existing example. I can create datasets, as you can see, and I also I can create my IoT system in order to make deployable my projects.